Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I will show you grilled cheese sandwich. Here are all the ingredients. Of course, for a grilled cheese sandwich we need like 4 pieces of bread to make 2 sandwiches. Then we have 2 pieces of cheese. Here are all the steps. So now I'm going to be doing the bread making stage where we make the sandwich. I wish I washed my hand before doing this step. Make sure you wash your hands too. So first I have to do this. Then I have to put this gently over on this pan, and I put this at medium to low heat. So now I'm gonna cover this. So now let's check if it's ready to flip. If you feel a little bit of heat coming out of the bread, that means it's ready to flip. I feel a little bit. So now you have to flip it carefully with using a spatula. It should not be brown right now, but later it should be brown. I'm just trying to even the heat between this one and the other side. Now my grilled cheese is done. Now I'm gonna bring it. My 2 grilled cheeses. Okay, now it's time to cut them. Let's first put them like this, so it's gonna be like a sandwich cut. It's like the name of a cut, I think. I'm pretty sure because I made this by myself. Okay. Now. Looks so good. Time to cut the other one. Same sandwich cut thingy. The crunch sounds so good. This one also looks really good. This is the final result of the grilled cheese. So, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell for more. Goodbye!